Welcome to Choice Champions. The best G35 Coupe accessories are probably one of the most exciting ways to personalize and enhance your already sporty vehicle, transforming it from a great car into a truly exceptional one that reflects your unique style and performance desires. Whether you're looking to boost horsepower, improve handling, upgrade the interior aesthetics, or simply add some practical functionality, the right accessories can make a world of difference in your driving experience, turning heads on every street and making every journey more enjoyable and engaging. Number 5. Detroit Axle RWD Front End Kit for Infiniti G35 and Nissan 350Z. Upgrade your vehicle's front end with this comprehensive 10-piece replacement kit. It's designed to meet the demands of daily driving and ensure a smooth ride. Each component has undergone rigorous testing for impact, wear, and fatigue. This ensures the quality and durability you can rely on for years to come. This kit is specifically designed for 2003 to 2004 Infiniti G35 RWD Coupe and 2003 to 2004 Nissan 350Z RWD models. It includes everything you need for a complete front suspension overhaul. You'll receive 2 front upper control arms with ball joints, 2 front lower forward control arms, 2 front lower rearward control arms with ball joints, 2 front sway bars, and 2 front outer tie rods. We stand behind our products with a 10-year warranty. Drive with confidence knowing your investment is protected. What we like. If you're experiencing worn-out suspension components, this 10-piece kit is a comprehensive solution. It includes everything needed to replace front upper and lower control arms, sway bars, and tie rods. With its durable construction and a 10-year warranty, it offers peace of mind for a long-lasting repair. You should consider this if you're looking for a complete overhaul to restore your G35's handling and ride quality. What people say. High-quality product, not cheap materials, well-built, fit was perfect. Install went extremely well, parts look really nice, don't hear any squeaking whatsoever, and it's nice that some bushings are sealed, but they give you extras in case you want to press them in yourself and be serviceable since they have zerks. All the parts needed to upgrade and repair your car's front end. Exact fits without any problems to install. Parts seem to be well made and OEM quality. Number 4. Yuoyar Magnetic Sunglass Holder, 2-pack. Never worry about where to put your sunglasses again. This holder is designed to fit seamlessly into almost any car model, keeping your eyewear organized. Accessing your sunglasses is effortless. The special handle design allows for easy, one-handed opening and closing, so you can grab them quickly when needed. Crafted from high-quality, soft leather, it protects both your car's visor and your glasses. Its elegant design adds a stylish touch to your car's interior. An upgraded elastic cloth ensures a stable grip on various types of glasses. It keeps them securely in place without causing any damage to the legs. We stand by our quality and offer excellent customer service. Purchase with the assurance of a great product and reliable support. What we like. For those who frequently use sunglasses or eyeglasses in their car, this magnetic holder is a game changer. Its universal fit ensures it works in virtually any vehicle, and the one-handed operation makes it incredibly convenient. Made from high-quality leather, it protects both your visor and your eyewear. If you like keeping your essentials organized and easily accessible without fumbling, this is the accessory for you. What people say. Sleek, not bulky, great design and strong magnetic. They look nice on my visors. Ordered the gray and they matched so well they look like they came with the car. These are perfect. They solved all of my issues. They are magnetic so I was worried they would flop open all the time, but they don't. The magnets hold tight. They are so easy to open and close while I am driving and I have had no issue with the fact that my visor is really thick. Has a strong magnet that holds the glasses without shaking. Number 3. MITZONE Aluminum Valve Cover Set for Nissan 350Z Infiniti FX35 G35 M35. Give your engine the upgrade it deserves with our premium aluminum valve covers. Designed for optimal performance and durability, they are built to last. These valve covers are engineered for a precise fit with specific Nissan and Infiniti models from 2003 to 2008. Ensure seamless integration with your vehicle's existing components. Replacing OEM part numbers 13264, AM600 and 13264, AM610, our valve covers offer a perfect match. Installation is straightforward, ensuring a hassle-free replacement. Everything you need is included for a quick and efficient installation. This set comes with bolts, gaskets, seals, a PCV valve, and a new hose. Constructed from high-quality materials with a sleek red finish, they are designed to resist extreme engine temperatures. Enjoy reliable leak resistance and long-lasting durability. Specifically designed for the early Nissan G35 engine, these valve covers ensure compatibility with the correct model years. Always verify your vehicle's details before purchase. What we like. If your G35's engine is showing signs of oil leaks from the valve covers, this set is the perfect replacement. It comes with all necessary gaskets, bolts, and even a new hose for a complete installation. Constructed from durable aluminum designed to withstand extreme temperatures, it offers excellent leak resistance. Choose this if you're looking for a reliable, long-lasting solution to engine oil leaks and want a hassle-free installation. What people say. Sealed great and perfect fit. They fit perfectly and I have no more oil leaks. Very good quality and the gaskets are in tight, they don't fall out when you try to install like other brands. Number 2. Pedal Commander for Infiniti G35, 2003 to 2006. Introducing the Pedal Commander, designed specifically for your Infiniti G35 from 2003 to 2006. It's built to optimize your 3.5L V6 engine for exhilarating acceleration and instant throttle response. Adapt your drive with 4 distinct modes and 36 adjustable settings. You can fine-tune sensitivity for explosive response, perfect for track days or aggressive launches. Installation is a breeze, taking just 15 minutes without any tools. It simply clips onto your pedal sensor and is completely reversible, leaving no trace on your ECU. Take control with the free app to adjust settings and enable launch control. Plus, use the anti-theft feature to lock your pedal, keeping your performance machine secure. Enjoy enhanced performance without compromise. This controller never writes to your ECU and works harmoniously with other aftermarket parts, maintaining your car's factory integrity. What we like. For the driver who craves a more responsive and exhilarating driving experience, this throttle controller is a must-have. With 36 adjustable settings across 4 modes, you can fine-tune your G35's acceleration to match your mood or driving conditions. The app control and anti-theft features add modern convenience and security. If you're looking to unlock instant throttle response and spirited driving without altering your ECU, this is the upgrade for you. What people say. The product is a perfect fit for the G35 Coupe. The material is high quality and feels durable. Installation was straightforward and took less than 30 minutes. Number 1. Infiniti G35 2003 to 2007 Coupe JDM style front hood grille. Upgrade your 2003 to 2007 Infiniti G35 Coupe with this JDM style front hood grille. It offers a sleek, aggressive look for your 2-door model. Crafted from high-quality, lightweight ABS plastic, this grille is built for durability and a perfect fit. It's designed to be a direct replacement for your existing grille. Featuring a clean, badgeless design, this part provides a smooth, custom appearance. It seamlessly integrates with your vehicle's front end. The item comes in a primer matte black finish with a mesh insert. This allows you to paint it to perfectly match your car's color. While it's a direct replacement, professional installation is highly recommended to ensure a flawless fit and finish. Get ready to enhance your G35 style. What we like. If you're aiming for a sleek, custom look for your G35 Coupe, this JDM style front hood mesh grille is an excellent choice. Made from high-quality, lightweight ABS plastic, it's designed as a direct replacement for your existing grille. The badgeless, primer black finish provides a clean, aggressive aesthetic. Consider this if you want to give your G35 a unique, sporty appearance with a subtle yet impactful modification. What people say. The grille fit perfect. Easy installation. Great product. Easy to install, looks sharp and material seems very resistant. This grille fit perfect. It comes as satin flat black. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.